Hello, my dear friends. This is Gabriel Barbu, and today I want to share something very close to my heart: kayaking. As you can see behind me, this is my kayak, always ready for adventure. In this short video, filmed especially for you, I'll show you just how easy and enjoyable it is to go kayaking on the river. The UK is full of beautiful rivers and streams, and it would be a shame not to enjoy this fantastic sport. Kayaking combines the beauty of nature with the benefits of physical exercise. It's peaceful, it's fun, and it's great for your health. Personally, kayaking is one of my favorite sports, and it helped me a lot in my fight against extra weight. I warmly recommend it to anyone looking to improve their fitness and their mental well-being. But before you start, please take a few lessons with an instructor or join an experienced group. Kayaking is amazing, but like many things in life, it can be dangerous if you're not prepared. So watch this video until the end. I promise it will inspire you. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, movement is life. Don't run away from physical effort. With love, Gabriel.